East Khasi Hills Superintendent of Police Traffic Kamakhya Prasad yesterday informed that a juvenile violated all traffic norms leading to a motor accident at Maulai Maudat Baki on November 13th and the subsequent death of a woman who was hit by the rider. Stating that the juvenile has been apprehended and a case has been registered against him, he said that the matter will be examined and if necessary, action will also be taken against the parents of the juvenile for allowing the youngster to ride the bike beyond the permissible limit.
It appears that the rider, he was a juvenile. He was having a learner license, and he violated the norms and conditions of the learner license, where the person, the learner, he should be above the age of 18. He should be under the age of 18 years. And the person, learner, especially if he rides also, there is a limitation that he can ride the bike without gear, with gear, up to 50 cc. And that also in public place with the consent of their parents. After this incident, we have already apprehended the juvenile and produced them before the JJV. Case have been registered. We have taken up the follow-up actions. We'll examine the matter and we will see that if necessary, the parents of the juvenile also, the action will be taken against them for allowing the juvenile to use the bike